Hello everybody, Clinton Malapa again here. Now guys, I just wanted to show you the results for this beautiful Monday. Let's look at the results. Let's look at the results. We are floating at about $500, $600. We're still gonna hold. The target here is to close at least above $1,000 here. All right, let's look at that. 770 USD. Let's keep holding. We'll see where it will go with this one. Now let's just check if it will reach the potential trade. Yeah, it seems to be going. Let's just wait and see. Okay, beautiful trade there. Beautiful run. There is the spike. I believe with that spike we can actually reach our potential profit, but I am thinking of holding even more just to see the full potential of these trades. Above 1,000 now, so it seems to be coming okay, but we're gonna keep holding here. So far so good. The power of the Ghost Robot 5.0 Ultra. There we go. We will see where these trades will end up, but we're gonna close either way. Remember, the power of this robot is that you can always close your trades by yourself. If you feel like the trades have reached the potential, you see any further movement, you can always close yourself. Okay, let's wait and see. Good day everybody. Here are the results for the Ghost Robot, right? The Ghost Robot. Here are the results just for today. As you can see, guys, we are at 3:30, and we are playing just about $1,000 profit. As you can see, beautiful people, it keeps on going up and down, but we are floating. As you can see,